In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Canva website public. If you've designed a site in Canva and you're ready for the world to see it, this walkthrough will take you from your draft to a live, shareable website in just a few clicks, with clear tips to help you make the most of each setting. First, open your website design. Log into Canva using your usual account, then open the website project you want to publish. Take a quick moment to scan your pages for typos, check images, and confirm that your layout looks the way you intend. It's always easier to fix small details before going live. Next, head to the top right corner of your Canva editor and click Publish. This is the control center for putting your site on the internet. If you don't see it at first, make sure you're in the website design view and not a separate file like a logo or a photo. You'll now select your domain. Canva offers two choices. For a quick and free option, choose the free domain, which creates a link in the format yoursite.my.canva.site. This is perfect for portfolios, event pages, or quick landing pages. If you prefer to use your own custom domain, select the custom domain option. This is a Canva Pro feature and is great for branding and a professional look. Pick the option that fits your needs and budget. After choosing the domain type, edit your website details. Start with the URL name. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to remember. Then, add the browser tab title, which is what visitors see on the tab in their browser. Make it clear and include your brand or topic. Finally, add a site description. This brief summary helps search engines and social platforms understand your content, and it often appears in link previews. Aim for a concise, helpful description that tells people what they'll find on your page. When everything looks good, click Publish. Canva will process your site and make it public online. This usually takes only a moment. Once it's live, you'll see confirmation and options to view it. To share your site, click View Website. Your published website opens in a new tab. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar and share it anywhere you like. Send it to clients, post it on social media, or add it to your profiles. That link is your public access point. That's it. Your Canva website is now live and ready to share. You can return to your project anytime to make edits and publish again without changing your public link.